Wow, how many minis have we had released now? I believe 100, 110, 120. I don't know. Let me know in the comments below how many different minis they are. And yeah, today we'll be unboxing. Well, it's kind of not unboxing because I've already unboxed them just to make sure if they were the minis. But you would know by the title and the thumbnail what minis I'll be showing off today. It's just a video of them right now. So yeah, this is my third video or my second video of today, depending on which way I upload them. And yeah, so we have some minis in hand here, as you can hear. But what I'm going to be doing is actually leaving the minis to last. Well, not to last because it's a minis video. And I can't really leave a video till last. So what I'll be showing you guys is the box. And I would like to apologise, my camera tries to focus on cars in the background or flips itself with mini blisters, which we don't have here today. But we have the box. We have some pretty new minis on here and some previous releases which we'll be showing today, which I needed. So yeah, let me know in the comments below if you've got all these or if you still need some from the cases, etc. But yep, here's the box. It is all purple. I love this box. Purple goes well on a car. Just does. Here's the back and the other side, which is there. Got some nice minis there. This box does contain 36 minis. We did buy the entire case, but I'm only keeping, I think it's 6 or 7, I believe. But yeah, we just going to bring these cars a bit closer here, as they are the ones we will be showing you today. So we got our first Cars 2 mini in this as well today. So that's a pretty bonus. So right off the bat, I've already opened up. So we're just going to take whichever one is out of here. Oh, and what a surprise. Here is the only Cars 2 mini made so far. It is Body Shop Ramone. Or as people are calling it, Green Ramone. But it is Body Shop Ramone. Of course, we're going to be quickly going over these because we've got loads to do. We got the green stripe going down there, as you can see. We got green all over. Did I say green stripe? I meant yellow stripe, sorry about that. We've got the green there, we've got these nice red rims. So that is very nice. There's his base, made in Thailand. All the minis have been made in Thailand. There's his license plate, low and slow. Here's his headlights there. Here is his die cast, as you can see, in Cars 2. Mini sizes are, I'd say, 1.5 times the size, or smaller than the actual die cast. Yeah, as you can see, very nice looking car. I actually kind of like Body Shop Ramone. He's one of my top 5 Ramones out there. Up next, I don't know who this is, but I have opened it. Oh, this is a good one. Unfortunately, I cannot review the die cast because, well, the die cast I have boxed and it's in a 4-pack, and I'm not opening that 4-pack. So we're going to be taking a look at the die cast here today of J.D Mcpiller. We've got toe cap there at the top. He's the toe cap racer. We got a number 4 there, which is still the same. Got his expression, still the same as the die cast, I believe. No window bars, which is inaccurate. Again, mini, don't know why they're doing that. Got toe cap logo on the front there. Spoiler. At the back we got his rookie stripes. Number 4 there. And the toe cap sponsor. Looking nice. Here is the side. Got a number 4. With this green stripe going down and a toe cap logo there. And the fuel cap. So yeah. There is J.D Mcpiller. So that is that car reviewed. Up next, we have, this is a complete, whoa, nearly knocked the phone. We got, oh yeah, Buck Bearingly. Look at him, he's such a cool car. So we're going to go over the mini first, and then we're going to go over the die cast very quickly. So here he is, the Vuezine racer for Cars 3. As you can see, Vuezine, number 39. And Vuezine at the back, window bars. We've got his nice happy expression. Happy that he's been shrunk down into small size. We've got 39 here. On the side we've got light year tyres. Fuel cap. We've got Vuezine logo there. Very, very nice. got using there, and we got the logo, which I can't believe they actually done it as a small size. It says corrective windshields, and it's so small. It literally is so small. Got 39 there. So taking a look at the die cast of Buck now. Here is Buck. I bet you on the what you call it, subtitles for YouTube, my thing's gonna come up with the word that I'm not going to say on this channel. But yeah, here is the die cast. Does look a bit more thicker on the die cast, but I guess that's the same. Of course, corrected windshields at the back there. It moves so much smoother than the actual die cast. So that is that. That is Bucks, leaving a gap there for a certain someone. Up next, I wanna leave that one actually. Oh yeah, this is why I left the gap. Look at this, H.J Hollis. Now, H.J Hollis has been released before as a die cast, as a mini racer in a massive 15 pack with. Let me just get the card down here. Sterling. And these two vehicles were exclusive to that 15 pack. And when I say exclusive, they've been released. So I'm so glad I didn't pay, what was it, $74.99 on this 15 pack just for these two cars, because they got released again. And I'm so glad that I didn't buy it. But anyways, here is H.J Hollis. He's the Enter and Cola racer. As you can see there, Enter and Cola, 68. Roof flaps, window bars. You can see, got the spoiler there, very nice. Got rookie stripes at the back, very nice. I haven't actually looked at these cars yet. 68, Enter and Cola sponsor, lights, very nice. On the side, got this purple stripe going along with the 68 there. Got exhaust pipes. Couldn't really see them that much on J.D Mcpiller. Carbon cyber combustor synergy, you know all the rest. But yep, that is H.J. Not going over him too much because people have probably seen him before. But I will actually compare him against his diecast just because. Now there is one noticeable difference. If you look at his spoiler, it's a different colour. But yeah, I'm looking forward for a Thailand H.J Hollis actually. So yeah. Ooh, nearly knocked the camera over. That would have been a complete fail. But yeah, just a quick 360 of the diecast. The mini. Very nice. H.J is probably one of my favourite minis out there. Just because. Not because of the rarity, because he's not rare anymore. Just because he's the pink, the green and purple, just a nice colour. So we've got 4 minis left. Yeah, you're going to be surprised that we've got 4 minis left. And I've got one here. Oh, look at this one, guys. Who is it? Gaskets. Rex Revler. I love Rex Revler and I love gaskets. So let's just quickly go over the diecast because I believe my camera focus is getting a bit darker now. And unfortunately we might have to leave the journey's covers until tomorrow. But we've got gaskets here. We've got this red stripe going along with this yellow stripe here. Got the hood bonnets there. We've got gaskets there, as I said. Got this nice expression, as you can see. Got some headlights at the front there. We've got 80, as you can see. We've got window bars, we've got gaskets there. Very nice. Here is his back. Got the 80 logo there. Come on, focus. Don't focus on the other minis, please. We've got gaskets there. Rear lights. Very nice. Here's the side of him. Let's do this side. Got this stripe going here and going up, this yellow stripe. Got nice blue rims. 80. Very nice. That's Rex Revler for you. Let's compare him against his diecast now. I love gaskets. Even Dan Carsier, even Sage Vanderspin or whatever his name is. But here is the diecast now. As you can see, not much difference to the diecast, but I love these mini races. Can't believe Mattel is actually listening to us fans, us collectors out there that actually want these cars. Oh, I know this next one. Right, technically, we'll say that HJ has been released before. Technically, this is one of the very last new ones. We have none other than Heyday Junior Moon. How many times have fans or collectors wanted a Heyday or even a Junior Moon as a mini. We've gotten Louise Nash, we've gotten Smokey, we've gotten River Scott, we've gotten all of them. We've got Heyday Smokey and Smokey too. We finally, how long has it taken Mattel to understand? We've got a Heyday Junior Moon. Wow, this video has just hit 10 minutes, so please make sure to leave a like for this. Gotta get a good fun now. Anyway, we got, here he is. We will compare him against the Heyday version too. Got the number 11 there. Got these nice white wall tyres. And yeah, he's a nice black car. Very nice. And oh my god, I can't believe this. They put Moonshine on his license plate. That's just amazing. We've got his massive lights there too. Quick comparison to his die cast now. There you go. Very nice, as you can see. Got the 11 there, 11 there. Wow. You should definitely buy this case. There's so many new cars in it. Or so many releases that people want. We've got 2 left. I don't know. Well, the last 2 are both Demolition Derby races. I'm going to go with the one that's been released before. And that is Sigalert. I didn't get Sigalert before, so I will be doing a quick review. He does come in a bag, which surprisingly is a bit weird. But here is Sigalert. Oh, I've wanted Sigalert for so long. It's just, I'm so glad that I got Sigalert. He's so expensive too. But anyways, I love the colours of red, white and blue on Sigalert. And of course at the front here it says take it. Of course you guys probably have Sigalert, so most of you will anyways. We've got the star symbol at the front there. We've got 22 there, my second favourite number actually. Got take it at the back there as well. There's red, white and blue back. Very nice. Got these nice little star wheels. There we go. There's Sigalert. We will actually compare it to the die cast very quick. As you can see, the die cast of Sigalert. The video is still uploading, so this video might take 3 hours to upload, but it will be worth it in the end. There's the die cast very quick. These mini races are just on point. Now, you guys probably know what this last one is. It is the exclusive in this package. As you can see, Miss Fritter. She is the exclusive. But, you might be thinking, oh, it's just the same as the gold version. There's nothing different. Well, actually, she is different. As I dropped something really important on the floor. As I pick that up. Here she is. Here is the Miss Fritter. As I get a message from one of my close friends. Shout out to them if they're watching. So we're going to go over the review of Miss Fritter really quickly. And then I'll tell you the story behind it. So here's Miss Fritter. This is the metallic version of Miss Fritter. She is gold. It looks gold, but she's actually metallic. This is a metallic gold. And I just love gold cars in general. We've got these silver horns. Or these grey horns, however you want to say it. Got the nice general Miss Fritter expression. We've got these nice usual rims with the spanners on the side of them. Here's the back. We got It's Fritter Time. And we've got the school bus, what a school bus looks like. Very nice. We've got the stop sign on this side, which is also metallic. 58. Looking good. We'll compare it to the die cast now. As you can see, this is going to be so difficult to compare with because, you know, Miss Fritter is Miss Fritter. She's massive. As you can see, we've got the stop sign. This is the first release of her, as you can see with the incorrect stop sign. With the silver horns. But yeah. I don't want to show the back, unfortunately, because it will knock my phone off. But, yep. No, I'm just joking with you guys. Yep. Now, onto the story of this Miss Fritter, as we get on to the last few minutes of this video. She has been released before in a 10-pack. But no, she hasn't. She's a variant. If you look carefully, I'm not sure you can actually see. So, I need a bigger station. But look, there she's got gold horns. And here, she's got silver. That's the gold version of Miss Fritter. Here is the metallic version of Miss Fritter. So you could see the difference. Oh look, that's much better to see. The only problem is you can see the reflection of the phone. Hello. But yeah, that's the difference. So, this is a very long review. We've gotten into 15 minutes. I've never spoken this long in a video before. But I'm probably not going to do the review of Metallic Jonas covers today. Just because. Or Josh Cruden. Oh yeah, I've got Josh Cruden too. But yeah. Here are the new minis, excluding Sigalert and H.J Hollis. Which ones are your favourite? I'm probably going to have to go with Heyday Junior Moon. Just because of how many people wanted him in the past. My second favourite is probably Rex. Third, J.D. Fourth, probably Buck. My fifth is probably this Miss Fritter here. And my sixth is this Ramone, and Sigalert isn't my... Well, excluding those two, as I said. My seventh favourite is Shop Ramone. So yeah, if you're new, please make sure to leave a like. Dislike if you dislike. Please don't dislike. This has been a good video. Subscribe if you're new. Hit that bell notification down below to the next one. Bye guys. This is going to be a good video.